There's a number coming out of MIT that should stop every business owner in their tracks. 95% of company AI projects are failing to deliver a return. Not 50%, 95. And the companies burning that money aren't reckless. They're doing exactly what they were told to do. So if you run a B2B company between 1 and 50 million in revenue, and you've either tried AI and been underwhelmed, or you're about to write the check, this one is built for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why almost everyone gets this wrong, and the one thing the winning 5% do differently. I'm Tom Wright. I run Reliant Bridge Strategies. We help B2B companies use AI to cut costs, speed up operations, and grow without adding headcount. And here's what I keep seeing. The businesses that fail with AI didn't buy the wrong tool. They bought a good tool and dropped it on top of a broken process. It worked beautifully in the demo, and it died the second it hit the real world. That pattern shows up again and again across our manufacturing, professional services, and healthcare clients. And it's consistent enough that I wanted to get on camera and walk through exactly how to avoid it. Here's what most companies do. They hear AI is the future. Someone on the team spins up a chatbot or buys a subscription to whatever tool is getting attention that month. They run a pilot. For about a week, it's exciting. Then it quietly dies. The tool gets used for trivial things and abandoned for anything that actually matters. And the company quietly concludes that AI just isn't ready for a business like theirs. But the AI was never the problem. Think about it like hiring a brilliant new employee and then handing them no training, no context about how your business runs, no access to your systems, and firing them after a week because they didn't perform. You'd never blame the person, but that is exactly what companies do with AI. They drop a powerful tool into a workflow it doesn't understand and expect magic. And the hidden cost is brutal. It's not just the wasted subscription. It's the 6 months of momentum you lose. It's a team that now believes AI doesn't work, so they resist the next attempt. And it's watching a competitor who got the approach right start pulling ahead, while you're convinced the technology failed you. It didn't. The approach did. So here's the shift that changes everything. AI doesn't fail because of the technology. It fails because of where you put it. The MIT research found the companies that succeed weren't using smarter AI. They were putting ordinary AI in the right place, wired into a real workflow. The failures bolted AI onto the surface. The winners built it into the plumbing. And why does this matter right now? Because in the last 12 to 18 months, AI stopped being just a chatbot you ask questions and became something that can actually do the work. Pull the report, draft the response, move the task forward. But that capability only pays off if it's connected to how your business actually runs. Let me put a number on it. Say you spend $15,000 piloting an AI tool and it fails. You think you lost $15,000. You didn't. You lost the 6 months your operations could have been faster. You lost the 20 hours a week your best people are still spending on work AI could have absorbed. And you lost your team's belief that this is even worth trying again. But flip it around. When a company gets the placement right, that same $15,000 doesn't buy a tool, it buys back your operations manager's time. Let that sink in. So how do you make sure you land in the 5% and not the 95%? This is exactly what we built the AI Advantage method to prevent. 3 phases. Phase 1, assess. Before you spend $1 on AI, you find where it actually creates value. We go inside the business and map where your team's hours are really going. Phase 2, target. Once we know where the opportunity is, we pick one process with the fastest, clearest return. Not the flashiest idea, the one that builds internal confidence. Phase 3, deploy. Now we build and implement a 90-day plan, a trained team, and outcomes you can measure. Not a strategy deck, an operational change. Notice what's different here. The failures start with the tool. This starts with the business. You're making a calculated decision with a clear return. That's the entire difference. If you're wondering where AI fits in your business, that's what our free AI discovery session is built for. 45 minutes. We map your highest return opportunity. No pitch, no pressure. Over the next year, the gap won't be about who has the best tools, everyone will. It'll be about who put them in the right place. That's a decision, not a budget. So the question I'd leave you with is this. If 95% of companies are getting this wrong, are you sure your approach puts you in the other 5? I'll see you in the next one.